Yeah! Uy! Sorry, baby! Sorry! Umiyak!
What if we walked into the airport and bought a ticket at the counter and just flew? Spin the globe and close your eyes. I'll go anywhere it lands with you. Let's stop thinking about it. The world will go on without us. We'll disappear somewhere. If it's you and me, I'll be there. Let's drive to Vegas, your old Mercedes. Just wander aimless, take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy, but so are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. Let's drive to Vegas. You've got that iPod from a
Happy birthday, Ninyo!
So, message ko sa'yo, anak. Siyempre, dapat lagi tayong strong, healthy, happy. Good health lang palagi, Lord, para sa'yo. And naway, lumaki kang mabuting tao, maka-Diyos, and maparaan, marunong sa buhay yon. Pero ngayon, siyempre, enjoy natin yung childhood mo. Nandito lang lagi kami ni Daddy para sa'yo, anak. We love you!
Yeah, strapped to Vegas, your own Mercedes. Just wander aimless, take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy, but so are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. Let's drive to Vegas. And while we're out there,
Hi, baby Ninyo. Very special day to para sa'yo and para sa amin. Very thankful kami na dumating ka. Bilis ng panahon, 1 year old ka na. I know, hindi mo agad
Papanood.
papanood. Please know na from the start, since you were born, very grateful na kami na nandyan ka. Ang wish ko, good health, happiness, and be a good boy. Always keep a smiling face.
Yes.
Happy birthday, baby!
Love you!
let's drive to Vegas, your own Mercedes. Just wander aimless, take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy, so are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. Let's drive to Vegas. I know I'm crazy, crazy.
Happy birthday, Ninyo!
Lumaki kang mabait, matalino, magalang, masunurin sa magulang, mahalin lalo si Daddy at si Mami. Si Lola naman, laging nandyan, bukas ang palad para sa iyo po ko.
Nasabi na lahat ng sasabihin ko ang lola
Hindi,
niya eh.
iba
Eh
naman.
ngayon, ang masabi ko lang, matuto siyang manalangin sa Panginoon Diyos. Siyang nagbibigay sa atin ng buhay, kalakasan at kalusugan. Happy birthday ninyo.
Yeah.
I love you.
Hold tight, don't let go. You gotta keep trying. You're this close, said it's alright. You can take it slow. Keep your head up high and let each door open wide. It's worth more when you know you've tried. Don't give up. Don't give up. Show 'em what you're made of. Don't give up. Show 'em what you're made
Happy birthday ninyo.
Ninyo, sana ay lumaki ka ng mabuting bata at matalino katulad ng mother mo. Happy birthday Ninyo, I love you.
Ninyo, happy birthday. Sana wag mo gayain lolo mo ha. Bata pa, nagiinom na. Happy birthday ninyo.
I love you.
I love you ninyo.